Hey guys, it's me, Phoenix from Phoenix TV. Today we're going to do an unboxing of 3 cubes that I got from QiYi Pies gift voucher that he gave to me for my birthday. The 2x2 mirror cube in gold. The YuXin little magic magnetic square one, which my friend William has. Or Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka 9306. And the QiYi LW, one of the newest puzzles in my collection now. And let's get started with the 3x3. Out of the packaging. That was very slow. Right out of the box. Ooh, a bit dirty. What's up with that? QiYi logo, because it's from QiYi. I don't understand why they still have the 4.74 Max Volk on here, because that record was like ages ago. Way back in 2016, so around 3 years ago. Don't even understand why he's still in his boxes. First turns. Turns okay, I guess. Quality isn't too bad, but it is, well, yeah, it is good. It's just kind of hard to explain how good, if this is good or not. Let me see the core bit, or the pieces. Ugh, this is hard. So, get it open, which is actually good. Okay, so it's corners. Let me show you that up close right now. So these are the edges. You can't really see, but there it is. I might actually do another clip of that. Here is the corner pieces. And here's the actual core piece and what the core is. It just looks like a normal, like, Shangshao mirror cube or something. So let's go back to the table. And now let's do a solve, because I'm on my chair. Let's just, like, legit cut over to when I get this assembled. Okay, I got it back assembled, now for a solve. Oh, 18.007. Okay, that was actually quite good. It is nice, but nowhere as good as my Game 356X. This turns really well, as you can see. Next cube, we are going to do this one. Move that one out of the way. This is the 2x2 QiYi mirror box. Booklet, put the box over there. Tinted, oh, and I can see the reflection of myself. Cool. And first turns. Yeah, it turns okay. Hold on, I just realized in the middle of my T-pen, I just realized the face is already solved. If I do the rest of it, then do the actual T-pen, it's solved. Wait, what if I add this piece here? Oh. Okay, it's a different type of 2x2 mirror blocks. Let me show you what this is. Actually a change of the Shangshao one. You can see how a full layer is already solved, but one of these stickers aren't right, and that's this one with the corner. The reason why is because there's identical pieces, so it makes it more confusing to be able to solve it. Whereas with this one, if I show you right here, they're not identical. They're actually different. That's why if you try to put this in, none of it matches up. So that's what makes this puzzle different. Okay, anyway, scrambles. Okay, that was perfect how I slided that. Okay. 50 seconds. Really slow. Anyways, last one. The YuXin Little Magic Square one. All this costs $30 overall. So 14, 7, and I can't remember. Okay, so nice stickless look for YuXin. I also have a YJ Square one, which is my before main. It doesn't turn the greatest at all. Now that I think about it. And yeah, this is the YuXin Square 1 magnetic. And also I know actually how to do parity algorithm now. That's why you didn't, and the reason why you didn't, okay, I'm just gonna tell you right now. But the reason why I didn't show the footage of me doing Square 1 at sale is because I got DNF both times. And they were both parity algorithms. And on both solves they were both parity. That's what I meant to say. Okay, anyways. Turning on this, it actually turns really nice. Really, really nice. Let me do parity algorithm here. I wonder how fast I can do the parity algorithm on each of the cubes. So let me just do it on... this cube. Okay, let's start off with this one. Oh my god, how much do I have to look up? 8.51. Now, this one. Sub 6. Okay, that's really good. Okay, now full on solve because I want to see how I can improve my time on Square 1. Oh god. $43.6. Cutoff at Altona is 40. Okay, so if I keep on doing this, I will get better eventually. And yeah, overall, for this being $14, it's actually really good. We are finished now.